Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for coming by. Today I have something a little different and it's from Fashom, which is a fashion box. And I have been thinking about adding fashion to the channel so that it's just not makeup. And I was so excited when Fashom reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in trying their box. So I went out and read all about it on the internet and decided that it was something that I was interested in. And the beauty of Fashom is it's not a subscription box. With so many of the boxes, you get something every month, and that's not what Fashom is. Fashom is a styling service. So you go in and you tell them when you want to be styled. They don't just automatically send things. So the way it works is you go in and you sign up and they ask you so many questions. It's really great because it's thorough. You know, how tall are you? How much do you weigh? What are your measurements? What sizes do you wear? What colors do you like? They show you pictures. Which of these do you like the best? And then more pictures. Which of these do you like the least? They ask so many questions. And then at the bottom, after they've asked all the questions, there's a place where you can put stylist notes. So like, I am very self-conscious of my upper arms and I never want my upper arms exposed. So I told my stylist that I wanted everything to be at least elbow length, or to come with a matching cardigan or kimono or something that I could throw over it, which I'm always happy to do. Also in that section, you can tell them like if you're looking for tops or bottoms, or more importantly, if you need a lot of dresses, like if you have an event coming up and you'd like to try a lot of dresses or sweaters or something like that, you tell them what you're looking for. So based on all of your questions, your assigned stylist, which mine is Malls, picks 8 items for you. And then from within those items, you select 5 that you want them to send to you. So that's exactly what I've done in the process. So you go into your account and you tell them you want to be styled. And that is a $15 charge after the first one. Your first styling is actually free. But if you pick even one item to keep, like a top or a dress, they take that $15 right off the top. So you've gotten your styling fee back, basically. And the free styling fee is only for the first box, and it's just the $15 off. You still pay for whichever clothes you keep, but your first styling fee is free. Once you receive your items, you have 3 days to try them on and ship them back. And I didn't even show you the box. This is my Fashom box. Ta-da! And I have opened the top of it, and I'm gonna go ahead. I have not gotten into it. I've had these sitting here for a couple days, so I've got to try them on so I can send them back. Once you open it, you have your paperwork on top, and then I'm assuming a tissue paper wrapped full of clothing. So this is the paperwork that comes with it, and we'll get into that in a second. But since I had started telling you, you have 3 days to ship it back, they send you a pre-paid envelope to just stick everything in and send it right back to them. Okay, so my paperwork has, let's see, this is all new to me too. So the paper that I have is the invoice, and it shows the pictures of the items that I've received. It has my address on it, so I'm not gonna flip it around, but their prices and then the total. And if you keep 3 or 4 pieces, you save 25% off each of those pieces. And if you keep all 5 pieces that are in here, you save 30%. That's a great discount. I'll show you the prices as we go along. And let's see if I can take this out of here looking nice. Oh, I think it's working. This is my bundle of clothes. It looks different from both sides. I can't wait to get in here. Fashom says that their prices are budget friendly and that the average price is $35. I will tell you that my prices are more than $35, but when you go in as part of that myriad of questions that they ask you, what are you willing to spend on tops? What are you most comfortable spending on pants? And you can set some price points, so it makes it more budget friendly for you. I will put in my description below a lot of this information that I have just been rolling through so you can see it, like the discounts and that kind of. And also I will put my link below where 2 things are happening. One, you will save $10 off your first purchase. So in your first box, you would have no styling fee because they waive the $15 styling fee for the first box. And then you would have $10 off any clothes that you choose to keep. And the part that I love is it's risk-free because you can throw them all back in the bag and send them back if they don't suit you. Fashom is also sponsoring, through my referral link, a $50 giveaway. Okay, so let's open this up and get a quick look-see before I go try them on. I should say, I got 3 tops, a pair of pants, and a cardigan sweater. So this is my first top, and I picked it because I have a real soft spot for baseball style tops where the sleeves are different from the body. And this is the first top that I got. And it's just a really pretty floral with the striped arm. It's so pretty. And it is from Chris Carroll. And it's so soft. I can't wait to see what this looks like on. Another great thing about that is I ride that fence between, do I want an extra large, do I want a 1X? And I will tell you before I try on these clothes, I don't like tight fitting clothes. I choose sizes that are a little bit too big, which is sometimes why I wander into that 1X field. But it's great because they do regular size, plus size, and I think I even read that they do some maternity. So this is my next top. It has ruffled sleeves. If I recall from the picture, it's a drop sleeve, but it has ruffled sleeves. Frankly, it has these two strings. Honestly, I'm not sure what I'm doing with them yet. I don't remember seeing them in the fitting. And it's just a really pretty fabric. And this is from Meadow Shop. So we'll try that on. The last top that I have, oh, I wondered about this one, if it would be a nice soft, and it is, it's so soft, is a floral, another flouncy style. And it is a pretty floral with, see the pretty ruffled sleeve? Can you tell when I hold it up? It's really nice. It's so soft. Oh my goodness. And this is from Meadow Shop also. So pretty. Can't wait to try that one. We also have, and this is navy, and I will be honest, I thought it was black. I don't wear nearly as much navy. It is also from Meadow Shop, and it is my cardigan that I talked about. It is light and nice, and I do like that because it gives me something to throw on to cover up my arms. And it's a pretty navy knit. I believe they call it a cardigan. Let's see. I will look at the invoice. Waffle stripe front pocketed knit cardigan. So that's what they call that. And last but not least, I have some black leggings. So I will go try all of this on and be back with you in just a sec. Okay, this is my first top, and it is the Chris & Carroll Flower and Stripe Base Arm Patch Ball Top. And they say it is a $42 value, and it is 95% rayon and 5% span, which is actually, I love rayon, but it's hand wash. That's the kind of information that they don't tell you on the website, or at least I couldn't find that information out that I really would have liked to have known. It's a little snug in my arms. This is where I say that by the time I get something that fits me nicely in the body, and this does really seem to fit me nicely in the body, and it's beautiful. This floral print, I like the top a lot. It just feels too tight, don't you think? It's too tight on my arms. This is where I say, I've lost a lot of weight, like more than 150 pounds. We're not talking about that. Only to say that by the time I get things small enough to fit my body nicely, the arm hang that I have from my weight loss wrecks a lot of arms, which is also why I like elbow length arms. But you can see the print. It's super pretty blue floral, and it has this nice stripe. I like it a lot. I just don't think because of the fit of the arms, I would keep it. And I love this part. What do you guys think? It's nice and long too. It's like almost tunicky length. So pretty. Okay, we'll try the next one. Okay, and this is the next one up close. I'm here to tell you that it is the Meadow Shop Jersey Floral Ruffle Sleeve Knit Top. They say it is $40, and it is 62 poly, 33 rayon, 5% spandex, and it's another hand wash. I may have to get past it with this one because I really like this. So pretty. It has this pretty ruffle sleeve that keeps the parts that I worry about covered up so I could dance all night and you wouldn't see what's happening under there. I worried about me doing these try-ons. It is nice and long, which I like, and I know what you're thinking. I know you're thinking, Catherine, it's too big. I'm here to tell you, this is how I like my tops. I just do. I know that probably a size down would be what most people would choose because it is a little big back here. Fair enough, it is a little bit big. I like it. It is super soft. I might even like it to the point where I'm willing to hand wash it. I love a rayon span blend. Even if this has poly in it, rayon span is so soft, and this is super soft, and I think it is super cute, and I think it would, because of the sleeve length and the gray tone, I think it would transfer into fall nicely, so I'm liking this one. Be right back. Me again. I have the Meadow Shop V-neck tie-back ruffled sleeves woven top, and it is $41. It's 100% polyester, and yet it says hand wash, What do you guys think? Do you think I really have to hand wash 100% polyester? My gut instinct is no. This is cute. I like this. I know it's big, but it hangs, it drapes really nicely, I think. I think with a pair of black slacks, I love the length of it, and it get a little booty coverage in the back. So I think it's super pretty. And look, how cute is this? It's got that little tie back. I think it is so cute. Right? I like this one. And it has that same ruffled sleeve as the first one, so I'm good with my arms. That's me dancing, sadly. Actually, in all fairness, I'm kind of a thumbs up. I'll be back in a minute with different clothes on. Okay, I'm back with the last two pieces on together. And I will tell you right now, it goes against everything I think is holy. I have on a dark navy blue top and a black leggings, which I would never combine in my real life. I'm not a fan of those flavors mixed. But this is the Middo Shop waffle stripe front pocketed knit cardigan and is $42. And I have on the 1822 denim skinny ankle jeans. Skinny ankle jeans does not even begin to cover how these pants fit me. But I have on a nice long top, so I will show you. We will be nice in the comments below. This is the top. It's a pretty sweater, but I don't like the way that this looks. See how it kind of pooches or something there? I don't know. I don't love it. This is just a white tank that I threw on because I wanted to be able to put these two pieces together. So this is the sweater, and I don't think it is for me. It is nice and long, and it's elbow length, which is everything that I like, but it's too heavy for summer wear, and once fall comes, the odds that I want an elbow length are pretty small. So it's not perfect for me. Now, to try and show you these pants. I've lowered you just a bit so I can hopefully show you the pants better. But the pants are just a black skinny leg. Well, see, I'm still not getting it. This is a 16, which generally in jeans, I am a 16. I would need these at least in an 18, but I think it's more old lady issue than fit issue. They are the perfect length and hit my ankle exactly where you would want to and how you would want to. The waist fits exactly how you would expect it to fit, but they're too tight. I just don't wear my pants this tight. And I think probably if they were an 18, they get an awkward bigness at the ankles. So I just don't think that this style of pants is for me. I'll be right back. Okay, so for our post-game coaching session, the jeans are definitely going back. They were really pretty black jeans, but these skinny ankles just aren't a look that's best for me. I should have known that. I chose to let her leave them in the cart. I wanted to see how their skinny leg jeans fit me. And this brand, skinny leg jeans, is not for me. So now we know. The sweater. I just don't love it. It is an 89 poly, 9 rayon, 2 span, which is, like I said, a blend that I love. I love a rayon blend. It gives clothing such great drape. And it's another hand wash. So all 4 of my tops, FYI, are hand wash items. And I don't think there's any way of knowing that before they send them. But this sleeve really pooched oddly. And it might just be the way it fits me, although it does seem like it doesn't, see how it seems like it doesn't, I just didn't care for it. But that doesn't matter. It goes back, and it goes back for free. Also, this, and this is, I'm so sad this doesn't fit me because this is gorgeous. I could probably try a size bigger and it would probably still fit me in the body, and the arms would probably fit me better because it's the arms that are the problem. But I'm afraid the body will get too big. So, but this was super pretty. Another hand wash item, but I'm still sad to see it go back. Now, for what I'm keeping. I'm keeping both of the floral ruffle-armed shirts. I'm not real sure what that says about me, except for I must like floral ruffle-armed shirts. So, I have this pretty gray one that had the ruffle arm that's like a jersey knit. Spandex, rayon, hand wash. And I have this fun one that tied in the back that was a little big, but I think like with a black slack that fits me better, I think this would be good for just walking the mall or like an evening out. I think it could go either way. Hand wash. I have 3 things going back and 2 things I'm keeping. And I know if I kept 3, I would get 25% off, but there's just not a third item that I love. And if you keep all 5, you get 30% off. But they ship back for free. And I forgot to mention, for every box that they ship out, they give $1 to Second Chance Rescue for NYC dogs, which I think that is super cool. So the 2 tops, my gray floral is $40 and my black ruffle is $41. So, and with no discount, that is what they stay. So I will have to give that good thought, but I'm thinking I'm keeping them. I really like them. Tell me what you think below. Tell me what you think below. Am I trying to make myself keep them, or do you think that they're worth keeping? I think they're kind of cute. So they sent me $217 worth of clothing, and if I had kept all 5 pieces, the adjustment would have been $65. So I could have all 5 pieces for $151. So that was really fun. Thank you so much for coming by and watching me do my first real try on. I kind of liked it. It makes me want to try more boxes. And I love that this isn't a subscription. Next week, if I want to try on a few dresses, I can just say, hey guys, how about sending me some? And it's a $15 styling fee. But if you purchase even 1 item, that $15 rolls into the price of that item. So you save $15 right away. I have a link below that gets you a $10 credit off your first purchase, and your first styling fee, which is just the $15 fee, is waived. You still have to pay for everything that you keep in the box. And it's an entry into a $50 Fashom sponsored credit. So lots happening with that link. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you all really soon. Bye guys.